under God, not under bro God, under God. Them time that we never have no bro God. We did have God. Everybody did know God. The whole we did go to Sunday school. Devotion did a keep in a school. And if you're late for devotion, you have to stand out in the sun. And you go get caned before you go to class. Because teacher stand up down a gate and look for you. All who come late, devotion and keep them put you one side. And when you're done, then carry you go to staff room, go beat you and send you a class. Because you're late. You know, get to say the pledge and the national anthem. And them thing that we grew up on as Jamaican. So only like a nincompoop fool we come on social media things that we political. We are standing up on the, not because we are preachers, but embedded in all of us as Jamaicans. We are Jamaicans first. And we can't, as loyal Jamaican people, just sit by and watch our people being buried like dogs and don't say nothing about it, because many of you know are run down a little 2-5 and 3-5, a little t-shirt and a little guzzler and a little rum and a little box of food we not get from politicians, and of them something they grow with. We not grew up on them something, the Jamaican people. Those of us who were born in the 70s and 80s, we grew up on the principle of standing up for justice, brotherhood and peace in this country. So all I know, we just born the other day and I come on TikTok and social media going like, you know, and these people who know righteousness, who know truth, who know what it means to be a loyal citizen of this country. You know, take on yourself.
Hallelujah. I don't know. There is nobody else in Jamaica that can do your job. It seems like, you know, say, right now, I have uncle, him short me already. Me have auntie, Florida. And my uncle, England, auntie, Florida. Me have my cousin, Munchie, with the Texas. They showed me and say, how come Hallelujah get back that position? Them now want to come back to Jamaica to Jamaica corrupt. Brother, it is clear to the Jamaican people that you people take the laws of the country as a plaything. And the people of Jamaica, I hope that you're seeing what is happening and transpiring. Now, Hallelujah, you have just let somebody who come in and take your spot don't have a job, or have the ideal job that you had with your salary. And with Jamaican people notice that. I don't know what is it that Andrew needs you so desperately for. But God not sleep, and we can't tell you. You see, every injustice we you know people do to the Jamaican people, you never feel it tenfold over. I'm gonna sure say no, because a lot of them people. Listen to me. Jamaica is not a big place, it's very small. I go Mobile go work and I see people who live in Kingston. I go Portland go work and I see people who live in Kingston. So, you know, Jamaica is small. And the people of the diaspora is asking one question: how Paula Lewin get back her position? Under what law? The court decided her fate already. How comes is it possible for her to get back that position? And how comes the opposition never have any power at all to not say anything about that and allow her to retain the DPP position? I am telling you, these are dark days, people, dark days ahead. Jamaica in a trouble. The justice system, we are in trouble. Troubled waters. Well, let's see how the dice roll. Because these are the days, you know, where, like one time when you can't sweep things on the carpet and feel like zero. You know, everything they on internet, everything will exposed in due time and season or whatever. Parallel when you is not a decent person at all. Shameless as well. I'll put that shameless. You and Andrew. Tone. Shameless. Yeah? But don't worry. Jamaican people soon get a time for vote, eh? And when we vote, I hope it make a difference.